In this video I want to show you how to connect a replacement FreeBud for the Huawei Freebuds Pro. This will probably work for any other Huawei FreeBuds and similar products, but I'm just going to demonstrate it for the FreeBuds Pro. So what I have here, I have a full set. This is also working, as you will see in a second. You see, I'll try to scan it or find it with the Huawei AI app. At the moment can't find it because it's not in connect modus on pair mode, so I push the button on the side until the white LED blinks. I scan again, and there you go, there they are, connecting, pairing, and connected, no problem. So as you can see, we have a left one, right one, and the case connected. So I'll reset this, remove. There you go, it's gone again. So now what can happen is we might lose one of the buds. Let's say we lose the right one, lost, gone. We get a replacement bud. In this case, for the point of showing you, I use the black one against the silver one, and we'll try to connect these two. So at the moment you see the green light again. It will not find the two the FreeBuds set. So what we do again, we push the button on the side, just will take a second. So it's blinking red, and there's blinking white, and scan again, and there they are. Connect, pair, and there they are, connected, all lively. Now we have a left one, right one, black one. The color schemes will not show correctly, as can't identify which one's which, but there you go, two FreeBuds Pro connected, and the replacement is connected now with my old FreeBuds Pro.